Yes. Karsh.
Get the phone up.
What up? Yo.
Check this out.
What time is it now?
Time for you to get up.
See my new STEE?
What are you doing with that camera, man? What?
See, I figure we use this, the camera, as a way to help you conquer all your fears.
I don't need to conquer my fears. I need to sleep. I need to, like, conquer this extreme exhaustion that keeps pounding me in the brain. And you're all up in my grizzle.
Yeah.
Come on, dude.
That must be wild.
Get out of my face.
I just had like the awesomest day, man. Filming this nature video for like 6 hours. Some of the time some pretty good shit. Which right now I just want to show you a little section of. Check it out, I hope you enjoy it. Flowers dance around and the sun winks at me. Rolling around on the street named Emily. It's the nature of STEE. Hey little birdie, won't you sing to me? The skies are clear blue and the grass is green. It's the nature of STEE. Moving along to a sweet melody. As a feather and no worries. It's the nature of STEE. A comfortable breeze to accompany me. Squirrels and ducks and birds in a tree. It's the nature of STEE. Squirrels and ducks, squirrels and the squirrels. Squirrels and ducks, squirrels and ducks.
Filming a movie?
Yeah.
Here, if you're interested, you might be able to play in front of an audience. See you later.